All right. Some cars on there, but it's too much music going on, a little Bon Jovi action. So we'll work our way over here. So unfortunately, but can't do. I can kind of hear it now, but
I don't want to eat this.
Kind of gotta walk way over here. But there's so many vehicles. So nice Bel Air. I saw this at the back of the 50s. Remember that? Remember look at this bad boy. This one's classic. This one is right here. There was one called Snow White. Oh. Look at that boy. Nice. Yeah, you gotta get away from the music. So unfortunately, you can hear it rumbling through here. They're always smart. They're open during anything, when they have anything here. This way they should have the taste of Minnesota at. Continental, this bad boy. Look at that bad boy. Nice. I think I see another, there's an SS. I see another 65 over there. I know, I'm obsessed with them. I haven't seen any Javelins lit. Yeah, it's kind of unfortunate. You don't get to go. There's some really cool cars over there by the grandstand, but I could do with just music to it, but people don't like it. But I'm not gonna, that wagon right there. This is nice. 327 SS, 65 Chevy. Let's see if he's got the bottle on there. Nope, but the bottle is worth money. I saw one at Scrapyard one time and I bought it for $1, and I gave it to a buddy of mine who's got one out in Oklahoma. I shipped it out to him. See the SS? See, these are you can tell these is the light right here. Mine was red too. Nice. Very nice. First car we got right here. Very nice. Camaro. Nice one. You can see really kind of nice. Now that Pontiac over here. A little bit older. It's a nice GTO. It echoes out to me so you can hear it. It's unfortunate, but hopefully it doesn't pick it up on YouTube. It probably will. Who knows? Who knows? I mean, it's in the background, like you're using it to entice the video here. Look at that. I mean, it's kind of ugly, but I get it. Look at that bad boy. I go down there too as well, but the music gets closer. That's a nice I say Mustang. It's a nice Corvette. It's over here. The old mill, that's a wasted time ride on the state fair. GTO. That used to be a church restaurant. It used to be here all the time. Super B. Look at that one. 427. Hell yeah. Nice. Reminds me of the Batman car, which they modeled after. Very nice. '79 Lake Elmo. I like that they do this stuff like the Super B. Look at that bad boy. Big ass battery in that son of a gun. SS. Oh yeah. That bad boy. Nice convertible. Real classic engine that is. Easy accessible, the alternator, anything you want to do to it. Old. Ah, for sale.
Helps when you don't want to spend money on aluminum.
The old 4-door. Nice. As I walk away from the other one, I get over here too as well. So there's a lot of music. So. Got a police car over here, cop car, Chev. Right there, 4-door. Both have cancer. Owner has health insurance. Car does not. Look at that, classic. The big dog. Nice. Buick, 1966. To me like that. Look at that bad boy. Look at that. Oh wow. Arkansas State Police. Nice. 72 Ford Galaxy. Oh, from White Lightning, Burt Reynolds. Nice. Whew, that's a big dog. Nice. So that's from the movie, I guess. Nice. That bad boy. Nice. Please do not touch. All right. The Super Sport. Right over here. 283. 66. Nice, Impala. Yep. So I kind of start over here. Look at that bad boy over here. It's nice. Anyways, guys. I like this one right here, it's kind of cool. Yeah, 66, you can tell. Anyways, guys, I don't know if it was the last one or not. We'll see what happens. We'll make our way over there. If it is, hope you enjoyed the series. Try to get the music as much as I can. So, what can I do when they have it blasting? But I could probably give you a whole bunch. There's a bunch of cool cars on the other side over there, but what are you going to do, right? Big dog right here. Little dog. Put the top down that bad boy. All right, guys. French fries. Yummy, yummy, yummy.